Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Friends, in this lecture, we will discuss the Mendelian synthesis of indole. Our starting material is ortho-acyl-aminotoluene. Alright. So do not get confused with this starting material. It is basically, you can draw toluene, and on its ortho position here it is acyl amino group. So this is our ortho acyl amino toluene. So this is our starting material. Now what will happen, that this starting material will react with a base like LDA or potassium tertiary butoxide. Here we have our base Me3CO. Now do not get confused with this base. It is actually C, methyl group, methyl group, methyl group, oxygen and negative charge. So this is our base. What is the function of base? Base is that species which attacks on a proton. Here you can see that here it is CH3. I can write it as CH2 and H. Okay, this hydrogen is also connected on this carbon. So what will base do? This will attack on a proton, as a result of which this whole bond along with its 2 electrons, it will be shifted on this carbon in the form of a negative charge. So this proton will be connected on this oxygen and the remaining part will be acyl amino group as it is, and here it will be CH2 with the negative charge on carbon. Now what will happen, that this negative charge of carbon will attack on this carbon. This bond or this negative charge will attack on this carbon, as a result of which one bond from here will break and it will be shifted on this oxygen. All right. Here a bond will be established between this carbon and this carbon. See how this CH2 as it is, and then this C and remaining groups as it is, and this oxygen with the negative charge. Now you can see that almost our product has been obtained. Just a few things remaining. Here protonation will take place. And this will attack on this proton. As a result of this, this hydrogen will be attached on this oxygen. CH2 Cr NH and OH. Now a very interesting step is coming. You can see that here it is CH2. I can write it as CH and H. Okay, this hydrogen is also connected on this carbon. What will happen that this bond, this whole bond, this carbon hydrogen bond will be shifted between these two carbons, as a result of which this bond will break and it will be shifted on this oxygen. You can see that one H and one OH means one water molecule will be removed from here, and it will be created a double bond between these two carbons. So we can write on arrow minus H2O means one water molecule, one H and one OH means one water molecule will be removed and a double bond will be established on this position. It is carbon and carbon to carbon double bond, this hydrogen as it is, and remaining terms as it is are nitrogen, hydrogen and this. So you can see that indole has been obtained, and we can also write it as here it is carbon, again it is carbon, and here it was nitrogen, hydrogen, and on this carbon here it is alkyl group and a double bond between these two carbons. So here, so friends, you can see that in how a simple manner our indole has been obtained, and it is our substituted indole. So friends, I assume that you like this lecture. For more important chemistry lectures and videos, subscribe to our channel What's Chemistry on YouTube and press the bell icon. Also like our page What's Chemistry on Facebook. Thank you.